What is going on, everyone? Hope everyone's having a good day. Quick video on how to copy my chart. So if anyone wants to copy the color, the indicators I have, right? So I have this indicator down here. A lot of people like to use it. I have the indicator on the right-hand side. And I also have a bunch of the indicators here on bullish pen and double bottom, all the automated indicators that TradingView gives to you, right? So you can just turn them on, turn them off, whatever you want. So the first step you want to do, right? Let's say you're looking at the chart here. What you want to do is hit home. After this, at the search bar at the top here, right, click search, go to people, right? People right here, and search my name, enhanced market. My name will come up with the little logo. Click that, scroll down a little bit. Right here, you'll see copy chart, click here, right? So click this. Now this will come up. On the bottom right-hand side, you will see these three dots here. Click that, and then hit make it mine. Once you do that, you will now have my exact chart, right? Same indicators, same everything, right? Now, in order to save it, what you're going to want to do is hit the settings icon at the top right. Go to template at the bottom left and hit save as, right? And I just saved it as EM template. You could save it as whatever you'd like, right? If you want to take someone else's chart, go ahead, do whatever you'd like. So that's just a simple explanation on how to copy the chart. Please drop a like, comment if you have any questions. Thanks.